Hello guys, today I'm gonna go to... Bye bye, I'm loading.
Oh my god, guys! Guess what, guys? Kisa ka, di ba? Magkisa talaga, I have in my vlog na. Si Dayas, love you, son! You still upset? Who is this mom? Gising ng ating student, guys. Rosmar yung gamit na nawa ko na kayong salamin. Yeah, talaga ng Rosmar. This is not sponsored by Rosmar again. So kayo dyan mga mamshi, kabempa, comment nga kayo kung ano yung ginamit. Comment nga kayo kung Rosmar din magamit niyo, guys. Pangit naman ang GoPro battery. Saglit lang, guys. Lubat na naman si GoPro. Morning, student. Please study. That is your your life. That's not for me and daddy or Jaja.
Hello guys, today I'm gonna go to my school. And
Morning, guys. Loading na. May battery. Si Babay na, guys, I'm loading.
bye bye, I'm loading.
So, dito na pala si Becky, guys. Good morning, Kai. Oh my God, guys. Guess what, guys? Guess what? Early in the morning, para naman siyang student. Si good morning, sabi. Morning, ito yung hanap niya, guys. Necklace, guys. Ito yung hanap niya. Necklace! Si good morning sa guys, B. Morning, guys. Alexa! I don't know what time is it. Alexa! Alexa, what time is it? Stop, Mickey.
It's 6:59 a.m.
6:59 na, guys. Wala pa tayong nagawang lunchbox. Saglit lang, guys. Alam ko talaga, pag andito na si Lucas, ramdam ko yung ano niya, yung stamp ng feet niya ba, yung pang ganun ba. Si Lucas na talagang early, para namang siyang student, guys. So, mamaya na, guys. Mag-ano muna ako ng lunchbox ng mga bata, oh. Mamaya na. Saglit. Hey! Ano na naman, iba na naman yung chains. With their chains. Ito na yung mga students natin, guys. Study, ah! Don't make dirty, guys. With wipes. Oy! Bye, guys. Study.
Bye-bye.
De! Kisa tadi, be? Magkisa talaga. I have in my vlog na. Dayas, love you, son. I always love you. You are my firstborn son. Be good. Oy, be good, son, please. Love you, son. Bye, Dam. Look, Rusty out. Dam. Mag-study ka ni Jaja, ha?
Okay.
Study, please. And don't take any, Ito yung buhay namin, guys. Daily routine namin ni Lucas. Our back to normal routine. Saglit lang, guys. Ito yung umaga namin dito, guys, sa Australia. I will show you. Wait, sa lab. So, napakatahimik. So, ang ganda na naman ng weather. Kahapon, napakainit. So, pag umaga, ganito siya, guys. Kasi autumn na. Tapos na yung summer. March, February, March, April, autumn. Then spring, autumn, and then winter na naman, July. Start with July yata. Yan. Ito yung neighbors natin, guys. Yan. Just right, yan. Mga neighbors namin yan. Oh. Good morning again. Right. Full again. Yung pants niya, guys, sobrang laki kasi si Lucas, ano siya, last night you didn't eat your dinner. So ayan, good morning again. Good morning everybody. Ayan, good morning. Welcome back again sa BEMFAM. Dahil dito sa BEMFAM, you are our family.
Yeah.
Dahil dito sa BEMFAM, pamilya mo na rin kami.
Come to BEMFAM. Kwento ng buhay, masaya magulo, pero puno ng kulay. Dito sa Australia, sama-sama kami. Sa bawat araw kay bahagi rin. Sige, BEMFAM, tara na makiride. Kwento namin, kwento mo rin worldwide. Cooking, parenting, caravan plans, this is a journey. We're the BEMFAM. We're the BEMFAM.
Out, yeah, get that. Cheese the bird. Sir. So balik na kami sa loob, guys, kasi si Lucas is asking me a grips. Marami pa tayong coffee. Yun nga, dami tayong gagawin, guys. Ay, dami. Magliligpit tayo ng folding clothes.
Hold on, Pa.
Dark dito, guys, kasi save the electricity. Hindi naman na natin kailangan ng electricity, guys. Lights. Mamaya na tayo mag-vlog. Upo yate. Atas ni. Kini sila stila dingin. Heavy. Tingnan yung bata, oh. You're cleaning?
Yeah.
Very good naman ang bata na to.
Mom, I can't see. It's you.
Yay, a lot of worms, my God. A lot of worms.
Yeah.
Daming worms.
Yeah.
So today is Thursday. So garbage today, guys. Pero bukas pa to kukunin. Napaka-heavy pa naman ito. Yeah. Pag wala dito yung mister natin, tayo yung Yan, guys. Lagay ko na lang dito, guys, kasi mamaya ito na lang natin yan ilagay. Para kasi na lang mamaya. Ilagay ni mister mamaya. Hindi na mahirapan yung mister. Baho ng baho ng basura. So ayan, dito na yung son? Sprinkler. Hugasan natin yung guys. So hugasan natin yung bin kasi yung nga basa siya kaya nag-warm. So mamayang gabi o hapon lagay na ni Mr. to yung bin. Hugasan muna natin to. This one pa. Ready. Continue from the top to bottom, okay? So today, guys, me and Lucas studying. Sige na, come on, don't distract. The guys is watching. Show to them how you write this one from the top to bottom. Great. Good. Look siya, guys. Next. Oh, it's okay. Next. So, yung ginagawa namin guys, ano, study muna before clean the house.
You beautiful, Mom.
Thank you.
And you not brush your teeth.
I'm not brushing my teeth.
You not brush your teeth that night.
I
right?
brush my teeth.
But he
You are the one who don't brush. You slept last night. Come on. Wash your hands. We need to... guys, you know what? Lucas, he knows now how to count 1 to 30. You will see, guys. Okay. Okay, Lucas is 3 years old. Para alam you guys, he is 3 years old at sana. But he will become, but he will 4 years old this coming July, yeah? Okay, Lucas, are you ready? Okay, can you count now?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Yay!
11, 12, 15,
13,
13,
14.
17,
Okay. Let me think.
14,
And the next, 21.
21,
I'm 3 years old, counting 1 to 30. And after this, 40. You will see, guys. Wait. Guys, look at the mouth. Look at the guys of the mouth. Say ah. Ayan, guys. Ay, Jesus Christ. Come on, to brush your hair. Tingnan yung pinagupit na, ginupitan natin. So, ayan, update. Tapos na tayo naligo. Ayan, nag-message pala yung mister natin na gawa tayo ng sunny side up egg. Ayan. Bilisan na natin kasi may andito na yan. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 3:11 p.m.
3:11. Yan. So, nagpa-aircon na pala tayo, guys, kasi yun nga, sobrang init. Autumn na dito, kaya lang, parang summer. Yan. So, thank you, Lord. Meron tayong aircon at saka... Don't touch. Oh my God, akalain mo, guys. Ginanyan niyo yung egg sa lamesa. Buti, hindi na nabiyak. Oh my God, my big fella. Oh, my big fella.
Mom, why you have name?
Okay.
You have name. Mom, you're not allowed to put them on dinner.
Dangerous?
Yeah.
No, not, there is no fire.
Why you fucking?
Look, sunny side up, guys. It's sunny side up.
Mom, you again.
W. So, yun nga guys, nasabi ko na ba sa inyo na itong kalamansi, pwede itong ilagay sa kilikili. Pag wala kayong tawas, pag lalo na nasa abroad tayo, nasa ibang bansa, di ba may tawas, maganda yung tawas kaysa yung deodorant. Yung ginagawa ko guys, kalamansi. Nakakaano siya, nakaka-dry. Hindi naman mapawis yung yung kung pawisin kayo ng kilikili, maganda to, tsaka yung may amoy-amoy, hindi naman maamoy yung kilikili ko guys kasi tawag nito palagi tayong naliligo. Ayan, nilalagay ko siya sa aking underarms. Maganda siya kasi walang amoy tsaka nag-dry, nakaka-dry siya ng tawag dito, dry ng underarms. Pero pag ikaw mabaho sa kilikili, baka effective to sa'yo. Kasi sa akin, hindi naman mabaho guys. Ano siya, maganda siya gamitin pag wala kang tawas. Lalo na pag nasa tayo, ako nandito sa Australia, maganda siya gamitin. Medyo mahapde, lalo na pag nagsishave ka, medyo mahapde. Pero masanay ka na din. Maganda siya sa for me lang guys, maganda siya sa underarms. Pag ikaw ay mabaho kilikili, pawisin, yan. Maganda siya. Kahit hindi mabaho, hindi pawisin, maganda siya guys. Pero depende na kasi yan sa hiyang. Ayan, look at guys. My student guys. I don't ask that one guys.
I'm going to challenge myself.
Molta pinsi papel eh. Yagi, move this one. Naughty boy, Lucky. Careful. Ay, naku, Lucas. You're so naughty boy. Are you done your study? Tell to the guys. Guys, I'm done.
My mom, I done my study.
So how you spell your name? Come on. I told him you are smart. L
L
U
U C F
E S.
S Lucas.
Good.
Manana.
So ayan, tapos na tayo nag-blower. Tapos na din yung sunny side up ng egg ni Mr. So andito na yun maya-maya. So 3 o'clock kasi yung labasan ng mga students. So, tingnan mo yun guys, yung ano natin, oh, view. Ayan, tapos na yan natin nilabhan. Yan. Tawag nito, mag-ano muna ako, mag-fold ng clothes. Kasi pangit tingnan guys. Ay, nakakawala ng gana. Ayan na guys. Andito na yung family natin guys. Ayan na. Dito na sila guys. Dito na sila guys. Ha? Oh, you still upset? Oh, he's still upset guys. There's no kiss with me. My firstborn son.
Ugly.
You?
You.
You're not ugly, son.
I said you.
You are handsome.
I said you.
Galit kasi si Darius, guys. Kasi he is naughty boy kasi, guys. Dito na yung student natin. Hi! Yeah. There's no kissing. Huh? Kiss, Dike! Ke! Kiss, mommy.
Don't kiss her. She's ugly.
I'm ugly, Ke?
Mom.
Mommy is ugly? Ayan guys, tapos na tayo nagsampay. So, first batch pa yan. Sobrang init. Diba sabi ko, nag-change na naman yung weather kanina, ang maga. Napaka, cloudy. Ngayon, napaka-init. Mamaya ko na diligan yung water. Mamaya na natin diligan yung plants. Kasi init pa. Papalamigin muna natin yung weather guys. Napaka-init. Oh, parang nasa heaven tayo. Dito tayo sa loob. Oh, thank God for the aircon. Yun nga, napaka-init. Uy, ang good boy naman, 3 years old. Uy, until now, guys, he's still doing it. He's studying, guys. Oy, what happened? No. Ay, yung ano pala. Stop! Nailagay ko na yung mga, yung ito na lang. Stop doing it. Tingnan mo na sila, guys. Oh.
Hello guys, what is the party today? We're having a kids party. Hello guys, today this is Rusty Boy.
Study na de, study. Aglit lang guys. is our dinner, guys. Apretada. This is Daddy. Oy, Daddy. That's it. And then, pasta last night, guys.
Where am I?
Just wait. Which one? Sauce? You want sauce?
I want to space.
That's Daddy. So, yan. Dinner muna kami, guys.
I just passed.
Lucky we have a girl, guys, because
She's
he
Are you eating?
can help.
Are you eating? Turn to me. It can't see me.
See you? See you na. What is big your eyes? Your face.
And you would
Speak properly, huh?
It's always been. Look, I made a book.
Be nice.
See? Hey, Mom!
Just wait. Give you a sauce. Ito yung paborito ni Darius, guys, sauce.
Yeah, sauce. Mom, can I have some pasta?
Yeah, this one. Alright mga ka-Bem Fam, hanggang dito na lang muna ang vlog natin today. Salamat sa pagsama ninyo sa simple naming araw dito sa Australia. Kung nagustuhan niyo ang aming video na ito, nagustuhan ninyo ang video na ito, don't forget to like and subscribe. At tulad ng lagi naming sinasabi, dito sa Bem Fam, pamilya mo na rin kami. See you in the next vlog.
Masaya